Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teacher Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some important results based upon Pythagoras theorem. Exercise 7D. Okay. So theorem number 3. A triangle ABC. A triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC such that कि AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay. So prove that a triangle ABC is right angled at A. Okay. So let's start. Given a triangle ABC, in which AD is perpendicular to BC such that AD square equal to BD into CD. To prove that कि angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree. Okay. So let's start proof. First of all, in right triangle ADB. In right triangle ADB. So this is right angle and AB is the hypotenuse because the AB is the opposite side of the right angle. So AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. Equation first by Pythagoras theorem. So now in right triangle ADC, in which angle ADC equal to 90 degree. So AC is the hypotenuse. AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. AD square plus CD square. Equation 2 by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get 1 and 2 we get AB square plus AC square equal to AD square plus BD square plus AD square plus CD square. Okay. AD square 2AD square plus BD square plus CD. AD square plus AD square 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square. So we put the AD square, value of the AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay. So 2 BD into CD. AD square plus BD square plus CD square. Okay. BD square plus CD square plus 2BD into CD. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So we write BD plus CD का whole square. Okay. So BD plus CD. Students, BD plus CD equal to BC. So we write BC square. Hence AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. So BC square equal to AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Hence triangle ABC is a right angled at angle A. at angle A. Okay, so angle A is 90 degree. Next, theorem number 4. In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is less than 90 degree. It means angle B is acute angle more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. An angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. And AD perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Then prove that कि AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Okay, so given a triangle ABC, in which angle ABC is less than 90 degree and AD is perpendicular to BC. To prove that कि AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Okay, so let's start proof. First of all, in triangle ADB, angle ADB equal to 90 degree. So AB square equal to AD square plus BD square from equation 1 by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and next in triangle ADC, angle ADC equal to 90 degree. So AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Equation 2 by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD equal to, we write CD equal to BC minus BD. Okay, CD equal to BC माइनस BD, यानी पूरे BC में BD को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास CD आ जाएगा. तो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ CD इक्वल टू BC माइनस BD का होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सो AD स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर A माइनस B का होल स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर माइनस 2BC इंटू BD. ओके, सो from equation first, AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. From first, AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay, from first plus BC square plus BD square minus 2BC into BD. Okay. Now AB square minus BD square plus BC square plus BD square minus 2BC into BD. So BD square is cancel, plus minus cancel. So rest is AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Okay, so hence AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Theorem is 4. Okay, in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is greater than 90 degree. greater than 90 degree, it means obtuse angle. An angle which measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Perpendicular to CB produce, CB को प्रोड्यूस किया गया, तब इस पर हम लोग AD परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किए. ओके, प्रूव दैट कि AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC इंटू BD. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट प्रूफ. Given a triangle ABC in which angle ABC is greater than 90 degree and AD is perpendicular to CB produced. Okay, so to prove that AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. Proof. First of all, students, in triangle ADB, angle D is 90 degree. In triangle ADB, angle D is 90 degree. So, in triangle ADB, angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Okay. So, we write the AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Equation first by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now next, in triangle ADC, angle D is 90 degree. In triangle ADC, angle ADC equal to 90 degree. Okay, so ADC, AC square equal to AD square or plus CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Equation 2 by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square, स्टूडेंट CD, इट मीन्स CD को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं BD और प्लस CB प्लस BD. सो CB प्लस BD का होल स्क्वायर. ओके, CD इक्वल टू CB प्लस BD. सो लेट्स AD स्क्वायर प्लस A प्लस B का होल स्क्वायर. सो BC स्क्वायर, BC प्लस BD, BC स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC इंटू BD. AD स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर, BC प्लस BD का होल स्क्वायर. सो BC स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC इंटू BD, A प्लस B का होल स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB. ओके, सो AD स्क्वायर और प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC इंटू BD. हमने क्या किया, AD स्क्वायर और BD स्क्वायर को एक साथ ले लिया और AD स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर. AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AD स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर. सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ AD स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर. सो AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC इंटू BD. ओके, AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC इंटू BD. Hence proved. So AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC इंटू BD. Okay. Theorem number 6. In a triangle ABC, if AD is the median of triangle ABC, then prove that AB square plus AC square equal to 2 into AD square plus BD square. Okay. So ABC is the triangle and AD is the median. AD divides the side BC in two equal parts. Okay, so let's start. Given a triangle ABC in which AD is the median. Okay, so to prove that कि AB square plus AC square equal to 2 into AD square plus BD square. By construction, AL is perpendicular to BC. AL is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so let's start proof. In triangle ALD, angle ALD equal to 90 degree. Okay, ALD equal to 90 degree. Then angle ADL is less than 90 degree, and angle ADB is greater than 90 degree. Okay, this is the acute angle and this is the obtuse angle. In triangle ADB, angle ADB is greater than 90 degree. ADB is greater than 90 degree. For AB square equal to AD square plus BD square, AD square plus BD square. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square plus 2BD into DL. Okay, so this is theorem number from theorem 5. Okay, huge angle होगा तब ये theorem number 5 से equation first. And in triangle ADC, angle ADC is less than 90 degree. This is the acute angle. Okay, so ADC is less than 90 degree. So and AL is perpendicular to DC. So angle ADC is less than 90 degree. It means acute angle. ADC is acute angle. So AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square minus AC square equal to AD square plus CD square minus 2CD into DL. 2CD into DL are equal to AD square plus CD square minus 2CD into DL. So AC square equal to AD square plus CD equal to BD because AD is the median. So replace CD equal to BD square minus 2 BD into DL. चूंकि BD equal to CD because AD is the median of triangle ABC. So this is equation 2. 1 plus 2 equation. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. So AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square equal to AD square and AD square, 2AD square plus BD square plus BD square plus 2BD square plus 2BD into DL plus 2BD into DL and minus 2BD into DL, minus 2BD into DL each cancel. Okay, so AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square plus 2BD into DL and minus 2BD into DL each cancel. So this implies AB square plus AC square equal to 2ADF square plus 2BDF square. 2BDF square. For here 2 is common. So rest is ADF square plus BDF square. Okay. So hence ABF square plus ACF square equal to 2 into ADF square plus BDF square. Good.